Did you know that in some countries, black money can account for up to 20% of the economy? That's a staggering amount. Imagine all the things that could be done with that money. This hidden cash could improve schools, fix roads, or provide healthcare. But instead, it stays in the shadows, affecting all of us. Welcome to our video on black money, the hidden enemy of your wallet. Today, we're diving deep into what black money really is, how it affects your everyday life, and what you can do to fight against it. So why should you care? Black money is not just about illegal activities. It impacts inflation, job creation, and public services. Let's uncover the secrets behind this hidden enemy together. First, let's define black money. Black money refers to funds earned through illegal means, such as taxation, corruption, or crime. It's money that's out of the economic line of sight. Have you ever wondered how this money is generated? Many people receive cash payments to avoid declaring them. Let's say you are a contractor working on a home renovation. The homeowner might pay you in cash to avoid taxes. This is a common scenario and creates a loop where that money is never accounted for. Next, let's look at the effects of black money on our economy. One major impact is on inflation. When black money circulates, it drives prices up because it creates an imbalance in supply and demand. More cash chasing the same amount of goods translates to higher prices. Now, think about public services. Governments rely on tax revenue to provide services we all use, like hospitals and schools. When taxes aren't collected due to black money, these services suffer. You might have noticed your local school lacking resources or public transport needing upgrades. This is often a direct result of black money. Now, let's address the darker side of black money, crime. Corruption and illegal operations thrive in a system that allows black money to flourish. This money can fund activities that harm society, such as drug trafficking or human trafficking. Let's shift our focus to how black money affects your daily life. Ever wondered why you pay higher prices for goods? That may be because businesses that operate partially in black money often charge more for their services or products to cover their hidden costs. This means you end up paying for someone else's illegal practices. But it doesn't stop there. Black money can also create unfair competition in the market. Businesses that follow the law find it hard to compete against those that skip taxes and undercut prices. So, what can we do about it? First, raising awareness is crucial. Talk about black money with friends and family. The more people know, the less acceptance there is of it. Next, support businesses that are transparent with their finances. When you choose to shop with companies that pay their taxes, you are taking a stand against black money. Finally, if you suspect any illegal activity, report it to the authorities. Every little effort counts in the fight against this hidden enemy. Before we wrap up, I want you to think about this. How does black money affect your community? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Let's spread awareness and shine a light on this hidden enemy together. Thanks for watching, and remember, every action counts in this fight. Let's work together to keep our economy strong and fair for everyone.